Hello, I am Don from Capital Microscope Services in Marietta, Georgia, and today we are going to go over the components of a basic microscope just to keep it fresh in your mind. The one we're looking at today is a monocular microscope, meaning it has one eyepiece. This particular eyepiece or ocular is a 10x eyepiece, which means it will magnify 10 times. This portion of the microscope, this tube, is called the body tube. The body tube holds the eyepiece on the microscope. This component of the microscope right here that I'm spinning is called the nosepiece. It will click into place when you select your objective lens. And yes, the objective lens, these pieces right here, are mounted in the nosepiece. The objective lens are color-coded. The small one, or scanning lens, has a red ring on it. The medium power has a yellow ring. The longest one has a blue ring. The way the magnification goes on this microscope is the lowest power is a 4x. The next power, yellow, is a 10x. The highest power, which has a blue ring, is a 40x. The way you calculate magnification is you take the 10x eyepiece and you multiply it by the objective lens. So you get 40, 100, 400 power. This part of the microscope is the arm. It is used to move the microscope. You always grab by the arm, secure it with your hand under the base. This part of the microscope, this black square, is called the stage. And it is where you mount your specimen on top of the stage. These devices here are called stage clips. They're designed to hold the slide in place. You put your slide there, you clip them down with the stage clips. This little circle here, this glass circle on the stage, is called the condenser, and it is a lens. And the condenser lens is designed to direct the light up to your specimen. This part of the stage is called the disc diaphragm. And it's a circle, a round circle with different size holes, and it's used, those holes will regulate different amounts of light going up to your specimen. That's the disc diaphragm. These knobs right here are the focusing mechanisms. The larger knob is your coarse focus, and it gives you the most rapid movement. You can see the stage going up and down rather quickly. The smaller knob is your fine focus, and this permits more precise focusing. This is the base of your microscope. There's an on-off light switch. There's also the illuminator field lens housing, this portion. So those are the basic components of a monocular microscope.